Hello, and welcome to TekBoost TV. Today, we're going to be looking at the Dell T3610 Workstation. Although other operating systems may work, these are certified by the manufacturer to run on Windows 10 Pro, Windows 8 Pro, Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 7 Pro, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6.4. Before diving into the technical specifications, let's go over the physical characteristics of the system. The dimensions of the workstation come in at 16.3 inches tall, 6.79 inches wide, and 18.54 inches deep. This system supports a 1 Xeon E5 1600 V2 processor and up to 128 GB of RAM. It has two 3.5-inch internal drive bays, as well as one 5.25-inch bay. Looking at the outside of the system, we can see convenient carrying handles for easier mobility. This system has one slimline drive bay, which can support a DVD-ROM or DVD-RW drive. As noted earlier, the system also has a 5.25-inch drive bay, which can be used to install optical drives, media readers, or additional 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. The power button is located at the top of the system, which glows white when the system is turned on. The front ports on the T3610 Workstation include 3 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.0, 1 microphone jack, and 1 headphone jack. Moving along to the back, note the rear power supply and power plug. The Dell T3610 supports both 425W and 685W power supplies, and swapping or replacing them is easier than ever. The system has the following ports: 3 USB 2.0, 3 USB 3.0, 2 Legacy PS2, 1 RJ45 network connection, 1 serial port, 1 audio line in, and 1 audio line out. To open the system, lift the latch found on the side and remove the cover. We can now explore the internal components. The T3610 has onboard support for SATA drives, with an optional controller required for SAS drives. The system has an integrated AHCI 6 gigabit per second SATA controller with 6 ports, supporting RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10. Additional RAID options are available through the use of other RAID controllers. The hard drive bays are located near the front of the system. The hard drives are installed into these trays. With the appropriate adapters, these 3.5-inch trays can be converted for use with 2.5-inch solid-state drives. The motherboard has 2 PCIe X16 Gen 3 slots, 1 half-length PCIe X16 Gen 3, 1 PCIe X4 Gen 2, 1 PCIe X1 Gen 2, and 1 PCI slot. PCIe Gen 3 slots are typically used for video cards. Please note the system comes with 2 6-pin power connectors. This system also has an optional mounting bracket designed to secure larger video cards. The T3610 has support for 2 PCIe X16 Gen 2 or Gen 3 graphics cards up to 300 watts. Although others may work, the video cards listed on the screen are guaranteed by the manufacturer. Continuing on with the motherboard, this system can support 1 Xeon E5 1600 V2 processor with up to 6 cores. There are a total of 8 memory slots on the motherboard. Each memory slot can support up to 16 GB of 1866 MHz DDR3 RAM for a max total of 128 GB. Higher memory configurations may work, but they are not supported by the manufacturer. All in all, the T3610 is a great system that can handle any performance-intensive application, from processing large datasets to creating complex engineering design work. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video to be useful. If you're interested in the Dell T3610 Workstation, visit tekboost.com for the best deals on refurbished systems.